Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 is coming soon, everything you need to know. Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 highlights the Galaxy Fold 2 could be launched at Samsung's Unpacked event in February 2020. The foldable smartphone could come with a similar design as the Galaxy Fold. The Galaxy Fold 2 could feature a total of 3 cameras. Samsung has a busy first quarter lined up for 2020, with the company expected to launch a number of new smartphones across multiple budget segments in the first few months of the year. While most of these devices are highly awaited, it is arguably the flagship S11 series and the rumored Galaxy Fold 2 that are the most awaited of the pack. While much is already known about the upcoming S11, or should we call them S20, smartphones, it's the Galaxy Fold 2 that still very much remains shrouded in mystery. Despite a number of rumors and leaks surrounding it, we remain nowhere close to forming an accurate picture about the Galaxy Fold's successor. But like us, if you're excited about the Galaxy Fold and what it could bring with itself, here's all you need to know ahead of its launch. Galaxy Fold 2, when will it be launched? While the company hasn't confirmed anything yet, and has refrained from letting any information on the matter pass through its official channels, rumors do say the next foldable phone from Samsung could be unveiled alongside the Galaxy S11 at its Unpacked event in February 2020. There have also been reports that the device could probably be launched before the event, however, that appears highly unlikely. For now, it appears the device will indeed be unveiled in February only and then launched in important markets around the globe at later dates in the year. Galaxy Fold 2, what will the design be like? The original Galaxy Fold was launched in a rather unique form factor with a smaller 4.6-inch display on the outside and a primary 7.3-inch foldable panel inside the phone. And it is believed that the Galaxy Fold 2 will also follow a similar form factor. However, the biggest change that the Galaxy Fold 2 is expected to see is a smaller crease running through the middle of the display of the phone. This would not only make the phone more durable but also more impressive to use. The company is tipped to achieve this by employing an ultra-thin glass cover instead of plastic on the panel. Interestingly, in doing so, the Galaxy Fold 2 will also become the first phone in the world to do so. The ultra-thin glass cover, which has previously been called UTG ultra-thin glass solution in a separate report, will make the foldable display look flatter and also reduce the wrinkle. There are also suggestions that Samsung could bring a Moto Razr-like clamshell design flaunting foldable phone this year. However, this one is expected to be a completely different device from the Galaxy Fold 2, which will be more expensive and also feature a bigger foldable panel on it. Galaxy Fold 2, what's under the hood? Although much isn't known about the core hardware that Samsung could use to power the Galaxy Fold 2, we expect the phone to bring top-of-the-line flagship specs once it's unveiled in the market. As such, the Galaxy Fold 2 could bring with it a Galaxy 865 SoC at the heart of it and pair it to upwards of 8GB of RAM and at least 128GB of storage in its entry variant. The Galaxy Fold 2, however, could bring fewer lenses compared to the Galaxy Fold. While the latter brought with it a total of 6 cameras, reports suggest the Galaxy Fold 2 could get only 3 lenses, with a single camera placed outside and a dual camera setup used inside the phone. Apart from this, the Galaxy Fold 2 is again reported to miss out on the headphone jack and instead bring only a Type-C port for charging, as well as playing music through the phone. The phone is also expected to get Samsung's Android 10-based One UI 2 operating system to boot out of the box. Galaxy Fold 2, what will be the price? Much like the Galaxy Fold, the Galaxy Fold 2 won't come cheap. Reports suggest the phone could come closer to the $2,000 mark, with the foldable flip phone from Samsung retailing as the more affordable device in the lineup at around the $1,500 mark. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.